Today I'm going to tell you about the eyedropper and color sampler tool in Photoshop. The eyedropper tool is located here. With the eyedropper tool you can select any color and then use it. Let's say you want to select the color of this green ball. You simply click on it. And then you can use the brush tool and draw a line with the green color. Likewise, if you want to select the color of this red ball, you simply click on it. Then with the brush tool, you can draw a red color line, or by using the paint bucket tool, you can fill a selection with the color you selected. And same with the purple color. We will do some example with the paint bucket tool. So next, if you click on any color, it will load to the foreground color. And if you press Alt and click on any color, it will load to the background color. You can press caps lock on your keyboard to have a precise and clear look on the point. So the next one is color sampler tool. In Photoshop, the color sampler tool is located under the eyedropper tool. So what the color sample tool does is that if you click on any part of the image, it creates a sort of tracking pin, and it also gets numbered. And it records the color value of that pixel. This tool allows you to collect the color value of the pixels in an image and then maybe use it for some future projects. And maximum you can have 10 color sampling pins on your image. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.